The trial account in Cloud Foundry environment is different from the Neo environments. We have different set of limitations and restrictions. The Cloud Foundry environments provide a different set of services and applications. So the trial account limitations differs in Cloud Foundry environments. So let's talk about them. The trial account in Cloud Foundry environment expires in 30 days. The extension is allowed to maximum 90 days. It means that once you activate your Cloud Foundry environment, you will be given a limit of 30 days. But at the end of 30 days, you will be allowed to extend it to 60 days more. So the total will be 90 days. In the trial account of Cloud Foundry environment, you can create multiple sub accounts. It's not like Neo environment where you were not allowed to create sub account. Inside the Cloud Foundry environment, members management is allowed. You can add team members to your account and you can share your applications with them. Cloud Foundry trial is available in the Europe, Frankfurt, and US East region. We have two trial data centers available to host our applications. Inside the trial account of Cloud Foundry, you will get 4 gigabyte of memory available for your applications. You can use it the way you want to use it. You have 1 gigabyte of database storage. You can configure two on-premise systems using the cloud connector. It is same like Neo environment.